Today we are learning how to create a salary sheet in Excel. This is the XYZ company. This is the salary sheet heading. Yes, employee ID, employee name, basic salary, DNS allowance, house rent allowance, special allowance, traveling allowance, salary per month, salary per annum, deduction at the rate 12% and net salary. So this salary per month multiplied by 12 will be salary per annum. Whatever salary per annum is there, in that 12% we need to calculate, and that 12% will be deducted from salary per annum, that we call as net salary. Here is the employee ID. We had made of 5 employees. Here is the employee names. Now I have to put the basic salary. Now we'll do of the first employee, that is Rajiv. Let's say his salary is 20,000. So 20,000 is the salary per month. Multiply by 12, 2,40,000. 12% of 2,40,000 is 2,28,800, and from 2,40,000, 28,800 will be deducted. So it will be 2,11,200. I am putting some allowances, 5,000. So the salary per month will increase as well as per annum. House rent allowance 5,000. Special allowance, let's say 3,000, and traveling allowance, let's say 6,000. So the salary per month is 39,000. I'll make it 7. So 40,000. 40,000 into 12, 4,80,000. 4,80,000, 12%. So the 12% will be 57,600, and that will be deducted from the salary per annum. Now how this software mechanism is working? Now this we need to put all the data, whichever, like basic salary plus all the allowance, and the total of all from cell D5 till cell H5. Here it is. Here I had put the formula is equal to sum, bracket open, from cell D5 colon to cell H5, everything will get total. So the total will be 40,000. Now 40,000, that will be multiplied by 12. So 40,000 is in my which cell? It is in I5. You can see I5. Yeah, if you had noticed I5, then I5 multiplied by 12 is equal to sum, bracket open, I5 multiplied by 12. Now 4,80,000 I got by multiply per annum cell multiplied by 12. Now deduction will be 12%. Now 12% of which, that is per annum. Per annum is how much? Is my 4,80,000. So 4,80,000 is in my which cell? It is in J5. So J5 multiplied by 12%. So 57,600. Now 57,600 will be deducted from 4,80,000. So now 4,80,000 is in my which cell? It is in J5. J5 minus K5 will give you the deduction from salary per annum. Salary per annum minus deduction. That will be your net salary. So this is of one employee. Now let's say if I wanted to calculate of all the employees. So select this and drag it. So now let's say Abbas.L is there, 10,000 is the salary. Automatically everything will get calculated. Even if it is more than 1,000 employee, you don't have to worry. By putting one formula, you can calculate of all the employees. Here you can see all the employees are getting calculated. 5,000, 6,000, 60,000, 10,000, 5,000, 5,000. You can see everything is getting calculated. 10,000, 60,000, 1,000, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. This is 1,000, 1,000. Everything is been getting calculated by your own. By putting the formula, you can create a salary sheet. I hope you have understood how to create a salary sheet in Excel.